assuming from there.
All right, guys. So welcome back to our first engine rebuild part 3, I think.
I don't know, maybe 4.
No, it's 3. It's part 3. So right now we got the block in the back of the Jeep, and we're taking it to Hoods. They're gonna go ahead and do my cam bearings. Speaking of which, I forgot my cam bearings.
You need those.
Oh, my bad. Actually, I'm not backing up this thing. I'll be right back. I got him. I ran.
You winded?
No, I'm good. Hello, Jeep.
Male person.
Okay, so we got the cam bearings. That would be a bad thing to forget. The block is in the back, doing whatever it wants to do, really. And well, I need to exercise.
You need to get a gym membership.
Need to get a gym membership for that, yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. They're doing my pistons right now, actually, because I went and stopped by earlier today, and they were doing my pistons. So hopefully those will be done either today or tomorrow. The cam bearings, they said they'll do it in like an hour, so we're just gonna chill while they do it. We're gonna talk to this guy that I talked to earlier, and
I could use some lunch though.
Yeah, we're gonna get some lunch, and hopefully tomorrow, the cam will be here today. Tomorrow at max, hopefully all the pistons will be done, and we can actually continue to put the rest of the motor together. The heads are at the house. We're all ready to go, and I'm excited. So yeah, we'll catch you guys here in a minute whenever we probably get to it. Alright guys, so we're here at Hood Performance. We just dropped the engine off.
You're doing cam bearings. Sadly, you have to pull the crankshaft back out.
Sadly we gotta pull the crank back out.
That spins so nice.
It spins so nice though. So nice. But he's gonna get it all done for me. Here in about an hour I'll have it done, so hour and a half maybe.
We'll get some food, probably go look at some trailer homes.
Yeah, we'll probably go get some food, look at some trailer homes, you know. But the big thanks to Hood's Performance for you helping your boy out with this engine build. Oh wait, I gotta have my wallet.
Yeah, you might need that.
Might need that. But yeah, we're gonna go inside here, and I'm gonna show you some of these freaking engines they got up in here. They're freaking sick.
Yeah, so
forget exactly what they were.
Anywhere in the South Missouri, West Plains area,
Yeah.
definitely recommend Hood's Performance.
Oh yeah, South Missouri, Southern Missouri, anywhere. Hood's Performance is where it's at. Hold.
I got you. Check out this beauty.
Check out that.
Is this the motor you're talking about that they built for the wagon? Yeah, they built this for a wagon.
Ramsey. What's that? Ramsey.
You get Brodix blocks, Brodix heads, oil pans,
Whole bunch of
AN
everything.
fittings, intakes, everything.
Check out freaking carbon fiber.
Yeah, and valve covers.
Those are sick.
Check out those though, big block.
Big block.
I like those ones better than these.
Yeah, 25 bucks.
It's like a stock intake almost, but it's not.
Yeah.
I think it's for a big block.
This one's 50.
173.
No,
Yeah, you know, come to Hoods for all your hot rod
Performance
needs.
needs,
You know,
hot
all your
rod
performance needs.
Oh, check out this crank though. Billet crank.
Oh, my lord.
It's so pretty. Could be an art piece, honestly.
I need these.
Yeah, I need these. Yeah, right here.
I want to get a set of AFRs or something.
Yeah.
You know. But
Yeah, no, definitely recommend Hood's Performance. They're really good. Like they've been really fast about it, really good at it.
yeah, we're gonna get everything paid up here, and then
Yeah.
we'll be back to pick it up in about an hour.
Yep.
All right, guys. We just had a nice long talk with that guy behind the desk. We were just jibber jabbering about hot rods.
This and everything, yeah.
But definitely check out Hoods if you need anything done to your motor. They give pretty good prices in my opinion. His stuff will be done Friday, which is kind of a bummer, but you know, it will get done when it gets done. So.
Yeah. I mean, just to give you guys just a little bit of something, like Magnaflexing heads for a V8 is 60 bucks. And I feel like it's pretty dang good price to Magnaflex heads. And like resurfacing, 70 a head, depends on what heads you use or you bring up. No, mine are 360 Dodge heads, so that's what they charge me to do that, 70 a piece. I mean, they do pretty good prices, honestly.
Yeah, really cool people though.
Really cool people. Really
definitely
cool
check them out. It's worth it.
But yeah, check them out. We will actually we'll probably put their little. I think they have a website, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
We'll put their website in the description, and you guys can check them out because they're freaking awesome, and they've done me a lot of good in the past week or two. So
you get all your performance needs. You can buy fuel pumps, heads, blocks.
You can buy Brodix
pistons,
heads,
cranks. I mean, yeah, you guys seen the stuff in there.
You can literally have them build you in a motor bottom up. I mean, don't, you know, be prepared to spend some money to do that, but you know, if you wanted a pretty good looking engine, like the one that you guys seen sitting in there on the
wagon.
Yeah, for that wagon, you guys, you know, come on up here and pay for it. But anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get some food and probably head back to the house. So we will catch you guys in the next one, probably. So don't forget, like, subscribe, tell your friends.